In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download images and videos from Behance, including your own uploads and public content, while respecting copyright. First, let's explore how you can download your own uploaded images. This is the official way to get a hold of the full resolution files that you have uploaded to Behance. If the project in question is yours, or you have been given upload access, you'll want to start by heading over to the project editor on Behance. Once you're there, hover over the image you want to download. You should see a pencil or edit icon pop up. Click on that, and then you'll have an option to choose Download Original. Selecting this will allow you to download the image in its full glory. However, it's important to note that this method doesn't work for videos. If you're browsing as another viewer and you come across a project marked All Rights Reserved, Behance doesn't allow direct downloads in such cases. Here, it's best to reach out to the project owner directly and seek their permission to download the content. Now, what if official download options aren't available and you're dealing with public projects? This is where browser extensions and tools can come to your rescue. But remember, these are best used for personal or educational purposes only, as copyright laws vary and it's crucial to respect them. One such useful tool is Locoloader, which is available as an extension for both Chrome and Firefox. Using Locoloader is relatively straightforward. What you have to do is paste the link of the Behance project you're interested in downloading, and the tool will help you grab all the images from that project in one easy bulk download. Just be mindful of the intended use, keeping everything ethical and copyright compliant. Lastly, let's cover how to download videos. Now, this is mostly applicable if the video content is your own or you have express permission from the creator to download it. For this task, you can use browser extensions like Video Downloader Professional. Just install the extension and it'll assist you in capturing video assets from Behance seamlessly. Simply navigate to the video content you're interested in, and the extension should provide you with the necessary prompts and options to download the desired video files. There you have it. We've covered all bases for downloading images and videos from Behance, ensuring you keep within the community guidelines and legal parameters. By following these methods, you can enjoy downloading images and videos while showing respect to the creators and copyright laws governing your digital experiences.